Lemon water. It's just lemon juice and water. So how healthy can the two-ingredient drink be? You'll be surprised. There's no doubt we have ignored lemon water for too long. For its nutrition, health benefits and hydration properties, there are just a few better drinks than lemon water for your health. The health benefits of lemon water include improved heart health, reduced risk of cancer, reduced cholesterol level, boosting the immune system, and relief from stomach aches, and it also aids in skin care. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you top evidence-based benefits of drinking lemon water. So watch the video until the end to never miss a thing. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. We upload health and beauty related contents almost on daily basis. So if you want to get these tons of ideas, make sure you are subscribed to our channel. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Before listing down the health benefits of lemon water, let's look at the nutritional facts of lemon. Well, it turns out this citrus fruit is exceptionally nutrient rich, and that's a great start. According to US Department of Agriculture, this is what one average sized or 84 grams fresh lemon add to your diet. Calories 24.4, 7.83 grams of carbs, 2.35 grams of dietary fiber, 44.5 milligram of vitamin C, which is 51% of your needed daily intake, and trace amounts of vitamins A, E and K, sodium, calcium and potassium. Net carbs in lemon are fairly low, which is roughly 2% of your recommended dietary allowance, so lemons won't make you break your low carb diet anytime soon. Besides, lemon is rich in vitamin C. Did you know lemon contains twice as much vitamin C as lime? Well, we will get to that in a different video. Lemons are not only low in calories and high in nutrients, but they work at many levels in your system to guarantee everything in your body works okay. Here are the most exciting health benefits of consuming lemons, particularly when you mix freshly squeezed lemon juice with water. Keep in mind, when it comes to health benefits in food and drinks, consistency is critical. The secret is making a habit of drinking lemon water. Here are all the benefits you'll enjoy from your refreshing new go-to drink. Number 1. Lemons have lots of antioxidants. Lemon juice is packed with antioxidants, molecules that bind with free radicals floating in your bloodstream. Free radicals are behind most modern disorders, from heart disease to brain degeneration and even hypertension and some types of cancer. Keeping free radicals in check is a top priority, and lemon water can help. Other foods high in antioxidants include blueberries, dark chocolate, red wine and olive oil. As you see, antioxidant-rich foods and drinks are quite tasty. So add them all to your diet, starting with lemon water. You just can't eat enough antioxidants. They will even prevent premature aging. Number 2. Improves heart health. Some studies have found that adequate levels of vitamin C, the most essential nutrient in lemons, can reduce heart disease risk. Considering that heart illness are the most significant cause of death globally, this is a big deal. The plant compounds hesperidin and diosmin present in lemons might be in part responsible for these heart healthy benefits, together with vitamin C. The best part, it seems lemons are especially beneficial for people with overweight, obesity and high blood pressure. So let's reduce the number of victims heart disease claims every day by sharing them this information. Have you shared this video to your friends and family yet? You better do so quickly then. Number 3. It reduces risk of cancer. Hesperidin and D-limonene, two potent antioxidants in lemons, do more than keep your arteries strong and clean. They can even help prevent tumor growth and cancer cell formation. There is still a lot we don't know about cancer and lemon's cancer-fighting properties, but results are promising so far. If there is only a chance of preventing certain cancers with something as economic, easy to make and tasty as lemon water, then drink it. As medical research progresses, we will soon know more about this mysterious connection between the citrus fruit and the feared condition we call cancer. Number 4. It reduces LDL cholesterol levels. Lemons are more than vitamins. They also have significant amounts of dietary fiber. This type of fiber does two things in your system. It helps with digestion and cleanses your arteries, particularly from bad low-density cholesterol building up and potentially clogging your circulatory system. Having cleaner veins and arteries means better brain health as well and healthier eyes. Everything is connected, and an unobstructed circulatory system is one of those things that make everything work better. Many other foods have dietary fibers as well, including veggies, other fruits, and whole grains. Eat those too. Number 5. It prevents anemia. Vitamin C or ascorbic acid is healthy already, but your body has more uses for it than you think. Vitamin C allows your digestive system to absorb nutrients better, including iron. Iron deficiency, commonly known as anemia, is quite dangerous and easily treated by consuming iron-rich foods and vitamin C to aid with its absorption. It comes without saying there is iron in lemons as well, perhaps not much, but every amount helps. When it comes to nutrient deficiencies, you want to take all the precautions. Drink lemon water, and if iron is what you're looking for, enjoy other sources of iron with it. We will get to possible iron sources in another video, so make sure to stay tuned. Number 6. It keeps your immune system strong. We all know vitamin C helps you to have a robust immune system, as it allows you to develop resistance against many pathogens like viruses and bacteria. A vitamin C boost is especially advisable in cold weather or when you're feeling stressed. That's when your immune system is weaker. Besides fighting possible threats, compounds in lemon water can also fight minor infections or prevent them altogether. If you have heard about people never or rarely getting sick, that's because they probably consume citrus fruits regularly. You can too, and the easiest way is by drinking lemon water. Number 7. It prevents the formation of kidney stones. Kidney stones are formed for many reasons, but they are more common in people who don't drink enough water and have a vitamin C deficiency. The acid in lemons dissolves kidney stones with time, preventing the formation of new ones. These tiny stones form over time, and they are mostly made of calcium, so the ascorbic acid in lemons can thin them out until your body can expel them naturally. It's also worth mentioning that lemon water will help prevent urinary infections, again for its elevated acidity. The refreshing water cleanses you all the way out. Number 8. It can reduce stomach aches. D-limonene is an aromatic compound present in lemon peels and gets infused in lemon water. The compound can reduce reflux, heartburn, and stomachache in general. Although people think the acid in lemon is bad for their stomach, in most cases the opposite is true. Lemons are excellent for stomach problems and digestive discomfort in general. Your stomach is quite resistant and it produces its own reasonably strong acid, so it won't mind lemon's acidity. In fact, your digestive tract will make the most out of the lemon's antioxidants, nutrients, and healthy oils. Number 9. It can strengthen your circulatory system. A compound in lemons called hesperidin is a potent antioxidant that can strengthen your veins, arteries, and blood vessels, keeping them firm but elastic. This is a good way of preventing other problems like artery clogging, lousy circulation, and inadequate blood pressure. This, of course, can lead to severe conditions like strokes. A strong heart and healthy blood vessels guarantee you're strong and overall fit, as all your muscles and organs are well irrigated with oxygen and nutrients. Healthy arteries are the difference between feeling young and experiencing general health decay. Number 10. It prevents scurvy. Back in the day, sailors ate lemons or drank lemon water during long trips to keep scurvy at bay. Scurvy is a severe vitamin C deficiency with nasty symptoms. Weakness, sudden exhaustion, loss of appetite, irritability, arching limbs, and sometimes fever are common in people with low vitamin C levels. Drinking lemon water daily is a foolproof way of ensuring your body has all the ascorbic acid or vitamin C it needs. And although extreme scurvy cases are now rare, you can still experience some of its symptoms if you don't eat well. Number 11. It keeps you hydrated. Finally, lemon water is an all-natural electrolyte. You might not know this, but most of us are dehydrated daily and we don't drink enough water. Dehydration can be deadly, sure, but in most cases it just causes us headaches, makes us moody and irritable, makes our skin look dry and our throat sore. Dehydration also takes a toll on your kidneys and digestive system. Constipation is common in people who don't drink enough water, and so are kidney stones. Lemon water is healthy, sure, but it's also water, so drink lots of it. And finally, now that you are more than convinced to drink lemon water often, here is the best way to do it. Enjoy a glass of refreshing lemon water in the morning and reap its health benefits. There are a few better ways of starting the day with the right food, and none are as tasty. By drinking lemon water in the morning, you can get its benefits. It is hydrating. Lemon water can help you develop good habits, and it's fun and tasty. Well, the viewers, there you have the top evidence-based health benefits of drinking lemon water. Which one is your favorite and why? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can apply in your life from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.